Are you looking for the best acrylic powder in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best acrylic powder that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Mia's Secret Acrylic Powder. Mia's Secret Acrylic Powder is the best on the market, and this is because you can carry it wherever you want to go. It features a fruity collection that will give you the best looking nails to match your charming demeanor. Additionally, it features a competitive price to ensure that you can buy it when running on a budget. The package contains 12 colors that you can choose from, ensuring that you apply the color that matches your taste and the occasion. At number 4, AZUREBEAUTY Acrylic Powder. Here are 10 colorful acrylic powder colors that come in the package to ensure that you have choices to pick from. To facilitate ease of use, this product features a comprehensive user manual, making it beginner-friendly for first-time users. Moreover, this best acrylic powder comes with a replacement or refund policy in case you are not satisfied with what you receive. Therefore, there is no risk in ordering this package, as you either get satisfaction or your money back. At number 3, Modelones Acrylic Powder. This is a high-quality and the best acrylic powder kit that features nail form, acrylic liquid monomer, an instruction manual, and an acrylic nail brush. One of the things that you will love about this product is that it saves you a lot of time, as it does not require curing. Therefore, it eliminates the need of having a LED nail lamp, saving you money. You will appreciate that this is a long-lasting acrylic powder, which is chip-resistant. To guarantee customer satisfaction, this product comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. At number 2, Morovan Acrylic Powder. This is the best acrylic powder that features amazing control, and so it will have a perfect self-leveling effect, complementing the natural nail. The product features a monomer acrylic nail liquid that protects your nails from any damage, making it a professional quality kit. Additionally, the product features nail extension nail tips, and a brush glass cup, saving you money in the long run. It is also a product that features easy use, making it ideal for beginners and professionals. Therefore, you can use it on an adhesive gel, nail carving, and nail extension, enhancing versatility. One of the things that makes it unique is that there is superior adhesion that facilitates long-lasting use, saving you time. At number 1, Savaland Acrylic Powder. Are you looking for the best nails that reflect the winter season in a shiny and beautiful manner? Here is the best acrylic powder for the winter season that features 10 colors that you can pick from. You will appreciate that this product comes with a versatile design that allows you to use it with carved flowers, French nails, and nail extensions. It is easy to use, and this implies that you do not need to cure it, saving you time. This way, you eliminate the chances of having damaged and dark skin that you get when using poor quality LED, UV lamps. The product features the latest formula, and this is why you will no longer have to deal with the yellowing of nails or nails becoming dull. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.